Hello and welcome once more to Red Gaming Tech. My name is Amata. Today is the 29th of May and this time I have some news for you regarding the Aliens Colonial Marines lawsuit, which of course features both Gearbox Software and Sega, who are both accused of falsely advertising Aliens Colonial Marines with unrepresentative trade show demos. Now, what's actually happened is that, well, they have actually agreed to drop Gearbox from the suit, and that's according to court documents. Now, the judge has also ruled that the suit, which still stands against Sega and came so close to reaching a settlement of 1.25 million, will no longer be a class action suit and will actually only represent the two original gamers who filed the suit back in 2013. And you might be wondering, well, what's this settlement all about? Just in case you guys haven't actually been updated on the comings and goings of this particular lawsuit. Basically, back in August of last year, Sega and the plaintiffs reached a tentative agreement for 1.25 million, which is supposed to be paid out to people who had paid to purchase the game before February the 13th of 2013. And then Gearbox attorneys were told that they would be included, and if they agreed to pay an additional $750,000 into the settlement. But Gearbox filed motions throughout the case and went on to say that they shouldn't even be included in the suit because, well, they operated as a contractor. But, as we all know, in a case management meeting yesterday, the attorneys for the plaintiffs agreed to dismiss the case against the Gearbox with prejudice, meaning that they cannot file another suit related to the same case, but in return Gearbox cannot seek legal fees. Now, both people do have 60 days before this decision is final, so this probably won't be the last we hear of this, but this is the ruling that the judge has made at this time. Now, unfortunately, the court notes from the meeting, which did happen on May the 27th, by the way, in case you're curious, doesn't really explain why the plaintiffs dropped Gearbox from the suit, but they do seem to indicate that the developers' unwillingness to settle and the loss of class action status basically forced the hand of their attorneys, and they are now, of course, in renewed settlement discussions with Sega themselves, and they now have until June the 3rd to tell the court how they intend to proceed, according to the court documents acquired. Now, I personally don't agree that Gearbox should be dropped from the suit. They absolutely had a hand in making Aliens Colonial Marines in the absolute disaster area that it was, but hey, I'm not a judge and obviously not involved with this case in any way. I just feel like, yes, Sega are responsible, but I feel Gearbox definitely had a part to play, but obviously they have disagreed in the court, so there you have it. Anyway, that's me done for this video. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.